Have you ever wondered why it's important to tidy up your toys? Leaving toys out can lead to accidents like tripping over a toy car. But when we tidy up, we make room for more fun and safe play. Tidying up teaches us responsibility and how to care for our things. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a space where everyone can enjoy. Sometimes, it might feel like a big task, but teamwork makes it easier. Imagine how proud you'll feel, seeing your play area neat and ready for another day. Organization isn't just for toys, it helps us in all areas of life. By tidying up, we learn to make decisions about what's important to keep and what to let go. A clean play area means more space for creativity and new adventures. Every toy has its place, and finding them easily saves time for more play. Cleaning up together can be a game, where everyone wins by having a tidy space. Remember, a tidy play area is a happy play area, ready for every imagination. Let's make tidying up a part of our playtime routine, for a better tomorrow. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and keep your play area sparkling?